Hey everybody, it's Anthony here in quarantined Idaho. Yeah, I'm outside. Anyway, that's right. What did we come here for today? I wanted to show y'all the $89 kickstand that I bought last year but just finally got around to installing last weekend. This one seems to function, but the quick and dirty on this one is that it's going to take you a little longer to install this than the Kawasaki one, I would guess. And the reason for that is the spacer and the holes are not quite milled to precision. Also, the spring is a little iffy, but I think it's going to work. So, there will be a longer video coming on the actual hour that it took to install this. It probably should have taken about 20 minutes because it's really pretty simple. The stand bracket is already on the bike. There is a bolt that goes through here and a spacer that feeds through from the back side to keep it from wobbling. So the basic idea is you line the stand up, pop the spacer in, tighten down the bolt, put on the spring, and you're good to go. That may or may not be true with the Kawasaki $300 one. I don't know. I don't have one. But for the $89 one that I bought off of YouTube, it's a little bit more involved than that because first you have to fix the tolerances that aren't quite right. In other words, the spacer or collar that's supposed to slide through here, it doesn't fit. I was able to tap that through here with a hammer carefully, so that part's okay. The stand itself also didn't fit, interestingly, since they provided all the parts. What I mean by that is that the collar didn't fit through the stand. I had to actually drill out the hole in the stand in order to get it to slide through. And it wasn't just paint either. You couldn't just brush the paint off. There was more to it than that. But once that was done, the stand functions as it should, and it's going to allow me to do basic maintenance on the bike. And that's what I was looking for. So for $90 and about an hour's worth of time, 40 minutes of which you probably shouldn't have had to spend, there you go. And for those of you who are curious as to the rest of the process, well, I'll be posting that as soon as I get it edited. Thank you. Bye.